I got actually this thing here off Amazon. It's similar to one of these straps, type of straps. It's fitted. This was branded rubber bead, but I don't believe it's authentic, especially for the price that I paid. I think someone used this as a mold, fought one and made a mold out of it and copied it. It lasted me a long time, actually. I bought this back when I had my first Zin, which would have been, gosh, 2000. I want to say that first one I had was around 2018 or 19, or maybe it's at least 19. Yeah, so at least 4 or 5 years ago, somewhere around there. And the fit on that Zin 104, I just wanted to find a rubber strap, and I thought that was kind of cool with my white dial one. With this, I like having that stripe there. But recently, the keepers just broke just yesterday. And I was like, crap. All right, that's no good. Yeah, can't fix that. I mean, this thing wasn't that expensive, and I got my use out of it. But yeah, I'm trying to see if this one that I just got feels about the same. I did try to buy something like this before. I forget where. I think it was Etsy or maybe eBay. But these guys were trying to put it together, and it was terrible. It was like the line wasn't completely filled in, so there's some gaps. Especially you can see it from the side because it's a groove that's kind of filled in with this color. It's not just smooth or flat on the surface. It's actually a little indent or detent, or whatever you call it, or channel. And yeah, it was had gaps in it, and then especially from the side, you can see it was uneven. It was terrible, and also like the black was bleeding into the white part. Not this one, but the one that I got. And then I was like, "What the heck is this, man?" And then I guess they were actually making these, because then he said, "Oh yeah, this guy didn't know what he's messed up or something," and then they decided to give it a go again, just try to do a better job, and they sent me another one, and it wasn't much better, and I was like, forget it. And then they gave me my money back, and they just said, just keep the straps. It's not worth sending it. But yeah, I think this might look pretty nice on this. I guess it would be the other way around, because like that. Yeah, let me try that and show you. Okay, so I got this fitted on. I think it looks good. The fitment is okay. It's not like, there is a little bit of wiggle here and on this side, but I don't notice any like gaping holes or anything here that seems off. And so let's see, when I put it on my wrist, see how long these bands last. I think it's about the same quality as the last one, but we'll see. I wish they were made out of FKM, but I think there's some sort of silicone. But there we go. I think that looks good. I just like this type of strap, these rubber straps that are fitted, if I can get them for the certain watches, because it's not just a plain strap, such as I mean, these are good. These are Strap Habit. I'm not too like, these are those slim ridge. They have some without this edge here. It's just like kind of, you can imagine, just that center part. I don't know if they might be slightly thicker, but other than that, this has that extra detail here. Just for some reason I kind of like, but at least it's not just a plain, smooth rubber-ish strap. There is some detail here, but I like this because it actually has that extra bit of color, and you can get these in different colors. So I'm thinking of it's only about 12 bucks or so, and the quality's okay. I figure you can get a bunch of different ones. Yeah, I wish the hardware would match, but it is what it is. I mean, I have been known to say that I'm a stickler for having a matching hardware to the case, but there's no way I'm going to find plastic buckles that I think of that will work, or a few that will be secure. So I'm okay. And you know, these would be better if anything, if this was like sandblasted, but I got no way to do that unless I can do some fine hand sand work that might mimic that, but I don't want to mess with that. Like, I might end up getting like really bad swirls or something. It's fine. Or excuse me. And the reason why they chose the gray, light gray, was that's the closest thing that they can have to simulate like stainless steel as far as plastic or the bioceramic is concerned. Wonder if they could ever do metallics. But anyways, yeah, I think this is kind of cool. Can't go wrong. I'd probably get another one of these again. I think it feels almost the same material, though this does feel a little bit more firm than this one. This one's quite soft and pliable. So we'll see. Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting that again, just the reverse. That looks good. Let me just show you if you can kind of imagine how that would be like, right? And what else? I think I saw one, a gray with a black stripe. I think that would look good, and a gray, and there's also a white stripe. And for some reason, I'm really drawn to yellow. And I did try this. I don't have it nearby, but I did try this on a solid yellow strap. And for some reason, that white, black, and gray with the yellow actually kind of works. But I would like to try it with the black version with the yellow center stripe, and I think that'd be just a little different accent color. Yeah, for get a mix of straps for well under. See, they're about 12 bucks each. Get 4 of them, 40, 50. Yeah, it's not bad. I think, however they last will be however they last. But I am worried because I don't usually like silicone, and I do think this is some form of silicone, although it isn't quite as soft and like really loose or like a little too flexible like some silicone straps can be. They almost feel like a thin skin that you might have wrapped around a phone or a tablet, if you know what I mean. That's like way too it's almost like that's way too thin and loose. But this definitely feels more substantial. But I don't know. Again, for 12, 13 bucks, what the heck? So yeah, I think I'm gonna sport this tomorrow. Then all it was is these. When I bought this, it's made for the MoonSwatches, so it should have been a good fit, despite the seemingly, semi-loose fit. Because I could put a little bit of it has slight, very very slight pivot, I guess, movement. It doesn't feel it. Luckily this watch isn't heavy anyway, so it wouldn't be throwing its weight around and causing that to maybe show up more. And there's definitely no gaps, so my wrist is 7 inches, so I think that works. Anyways, you're curious too about these, I can find a link and send you it where I got mine on Amazon. Otherwise, yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy your watches. Thanks.